Okay, my computation equation is 300 minus 189. Now we have a part whole, part unknown word problem, which is Morgan has 300 marbles. She has 189 yellow marbles and the rest of them are pink. How many pink marbles does she have? So I'll begin by modeling the 300 with our virtual base 10 blocks. So now we have 300 modeled. And now I'm going to draw our problem, which is 300 minus 189. So now we're going to start working at the ones place, but you can see that we cannot take away 9 from 0. So we don't have any ones at that place. So we need to decompose one of our 100 blocks, into 10 tens. So let's look at all of our tens here. Now that we have 10 tens, we can see that we no longer have 300s, but now we have 200s and 10 tens. So let's go over here and see, we can show here that we have 2 hundreds and 10 tens. However, we still don't have any ones, so we need to go back over to our base 10 blocks and decompose one of our tens into 10 ones. So here we can break apart this 10 into 10 ones. So now we can see all the 10 ones we have. So we can make this, so now we can see that we have 9 tens and we have 10 ones. So now we can take away the 9 ones from the 10. So we can take away 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we're left with 1, 1. So we can put that right here. Now we can take away the 8 from the 9. So we take away 8 tens from the 9 tens we have. So we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we take away 8 of our 9 ones, which leaves us with 1 10. So next we can take away one of our 100s, which leaves us with 1 100. So we see that 300 minus 189 is 111. So you can see which are our virtual base 10 blocks that we have 1 100, 1 10, and 1 1, which equals 111.